Transport Training Services is a social enterprise. We're owned by a parent charity, but we're the largest training provider of apprenticeship training in Northern Ireland for the automotive and transport sector. We have in the region of 185 apprentices at the minute. Apprentices should come to TTS because we have a variety of training that suits most young people. They will get a good all-round experience. Over time they build up that competence so that they can work on a vehicle, whether it's a light vehicle or a heavy vehicle, and they know that they're doing the job right, and that's because of the training they get here at TTS.
I chose TTS because it offers more in-depth training and more realistic training to the type of manufacturer's training that we be offered. It's always had good reviews and it's the choice of my company as well. Anyone starting this apprenticeship should expect a lot of challenges along the way and a lot of new learning opportunities. There's lots of things to learn every day, is a new chapter, so it's full of excitement.
Doing this apprenticeship has been the best thing I've ever done. I thought TTS was going to be like school, but it's not like school at all. You have a lot more freedom and you get treated like an adult. You don't get treated like a child in school.
For me, TTS had the best setup. We're in work for 7 weeks and then we have a full block week of tech, and their facilities were brilliant compared to any of the other techs I've been to or seen.
The best thing about being a TTS apprentice is smaller classes. You can be more one-on-one with the teacher because there's not as many people in the class, and I love coming up here. Like, all the students and all the teachers are good crack, like, so it's not too strict and you're going to learn everything and you're not going to be rushed into learning anything.
Throughout the week here at TTS, some of the days we're in the workshop here doing practical work, and then other times we're in the classroom learning. This apprenticeship is probably best suited to someone who just wants to get and work hands-on and have a good time learning as well.
TTS apprentice is very good. Everyone tries to help me as best they can to get through my assignments and to be able to get me to the next step where I want to be. To say everyone I've came across in regards to TTS have been superb. It's a great way to start off. Everyone knows that you're learning. You can get your way to the top, nice and simple, so it's good. Best suited to someone who has the drive to be the best. Drive to be where they want to be, at the top, obviously. So you start at the bottom and everyone's there to help you to get towards the top, and that's probably the best aspirations to have.
Most people go to university and come out with big bills, but we get paid as we learn, so it's definitely a big bonus. I feel like I'm being prepared to go out full time as a proper mechanic. I feel like this course is definitely necessary because it gives me my qualifications.
You should expect coming to TTS that you'll learn more than just the motor trade. You'll learn about keeping your work area tidy, keeping good work relationships with the other people that you're working with. TTS is very hands-on, very equal learning, and the small groups does help.
I've always had an interest in the automotive industry, and I thought the best way to get into it would be through an apprenticeship, because you get to learn and train at the same time, and you just get to start out from scratch and you get to learn the processes. The apprenticeship is best suited to someone who, you're kind of like outgoing, you like to be involved in customers, you like being, front of house. I'm really glad that I took my apprenticeship at TTS because I have learnt loads, as well as having fun in it, and the tutors are great to work with, so I just really enjoy going up there.
TTS is a wonderful place, a lot of wonderful people, very helpful. You tell them what you want to do, how you want to do it, and they do it all tailored to how you like it. TTS is magic.
The transport and motor sector is a very exciting sector to be in. There are always jobs, and the jobs are there, they're in demand, and at the end of an apprenticeship programme, the apprentices move into employment straight away. To become a fully qualified vehicle technician, whether it's in light vehicle, in heavy vehicle, or in the body repair end of it, an apprenticeship is the way to do it, by getting professional qualifications through the Institute of Motor Industry, and those qualifications will stay with you for life as you move through your career and move upwards in the sector.